Batteries naturally lose their ability to hold charge over time, which can affect the performance of your car. If you notice warning lights on the dashboard, dim headlights or other signs of a weak battery, it may be time for a replacement. The battery is located on the right-hand side of the luggage compartment, beneath a trim panel. Unlock the car and open the boot lid. Locate the trim panel knob and turn it 90 degrees anti-clockwise to release the panel. Remove the panel to reveal the battery. Before disconnecting the battery, make sure to read and record any diagnostic error codes, as these may be lost once the battery is removed. If your vehicle is equipped with a code-protected audio system, refer to the owner's manual for instructions on reconfiguring it after installation. Loosen the bolt and disconnect the negative battery terminal first. Move it aside to a secure position to prevent accidental contact. Always remove the negative terminal first to reduce the risk of sparks or electrical surges that could damage the vehicle's electronic control modules. Undo the 2 bolts and remove the support bracket above the battery. Press the tab to disconnect the positive cable leading to the power distribution unit. Then, unplug the cable connected to the intelligent battery sensor and move it aside. Carefully lift the plastic cover and remove the nut securing the power distribution assembly to the positive terminal. Using a flat screwdriver, gently push the metal tabs on each side away from the battery to release the power distribution unit. Lift it off the top of the battery and carefully move it aside. Lift the plastic cover, loosen the nut and remove the positive battery clamp assembly from the terminal. Move it aside to keep it clear of the battery. Unscrew the long bolt on the side and remove the battery retaining clamp. Slide the battery slightly toward the rear of the car to create enough space to disconnect the vent hose. Once the hose is free, carefully lift the battery out of its housing. Take care as the battery is heavy. Clean the battery terminals thoroughly and vacuum the battery housing area before installing the new battery. Refitting is a reversal of removal. Tighten the battery retaining clamp bolt to a light torque of about 2 to 3 Newton meters. This is just enough to hold the battery securely without bending the bracket. Tighten the positive battery terminal nut to a torque of 5 Newton meters. Tighten the nut connecting the power distribution unit to the positive terminal to a torque of 15 Newton meters. Tighten the battery support bracket bolts to a torque of 9 Newton meters. Tighten the negative battery terminal nut to a torque of 5 Newton meters. After installing the new battery, you need to register it with the car computer system so the charging system can operate correctly. Connect your diagnostic scanner to the OBD port located inside the driver's side footwell near the accelerator pedal. Access the computer system through the scanner, navigate to the Special Functions menu and select Battery Registration. Follow the on-screen instructions, enter the installation date and complete the registration process. Lastly, set the date and time on the vehicle, as these settings are reset when the battery is disconnected.